I'm making a chicken enchilada casserole, and it's really easy. There's just, you dump things together. I love that. And I'm going to be taking it to a meeting tonight, so we'll see how they like it. First, we're going to start the oven 350 and then prepare our baking dish with a little bit of cooking spray. In a large bowl, I'm going to add 2 cans of pre-cooked chicken breast. And we want to drain the chicken juice off of it. I'll drain it into a jar and put it in the refrigerator for soup later. Because this is fully cooked, we don't have to worry about cooking it a long time, so it makes it a lot faster. Next, we're going to add 2 cans of diced stewed tomatoes. I'm going to pour off the juice, but save it. Two cups salsa. Choose a hot salsa if you want it spicy. Otherwise, you can use mild. 1 can of corn. Now I'm going to put that corn juice into my chicken broth for soup. We're using 1 can of black beans, but I'm going to throw away the juice from that and just add the beans. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of chili powder. And if you like your spicy, you could add more. Teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon cumin. We're going to mix this together. And you do need a pretty good sized bowl for all these ingredients. Let's start the next process. We need 15 6-inch white corn tortillas. We're going to cut those in half and then arrange a single layer on the bottom of the pan. That'll be about 10 halves. Then we'll fill in the middle with 5 more halves. We'll top that with half of the mixture that we've made. Spread that out and then repeat the process with the rest of the tortillas and topping. Instead of rolling up every enchilada, we're just doing the ingredients of the enchilada a lot easier and faster. Cover with a lid or foil. My oven is up to temperature, so I can put that right in and set the timer for 20 minutes. Once it's baked for 20 minutes, uncover the dish and sprinkle it with 2 to 3 cups of Mexican blend shredded cheese. Then bake it for an additional 10 minutes. Serve it as is, or you can add a little shredded lettuce and sour cream. Well, they liked it. Awesome. This is Lena Shea and Iowa Mom. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more of my videos, go to youtube.com/@IowaMom. Then click on the video tab for a whole list.